How to turn on voice navigation on Google Map application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily turn on the voice navigation for your Google Map application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Google Map application. Once you do so, click on your profile icon. After that, click on Settings, and when you scroll below, you will see the option of Navigation Settings. Click on it and then you can see the option of Sound and Voice. Here you can choose the guidance volume. You want it louder, normal or softer. You can choose the language in which you want the voice to speak. And then you have the option to play over Bluetooth, play during phone calls. I will be turning off this feature for my settings. And that's all. That is how easily you can turn on the voice navigation for your Google Map application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.